Alright, LRDaToonman here. We back with another tutorial. This tutorial is going to be on how making your doorknobs look more like doorknobs. So right here, you see I got the tool up to draw my add point line. I'm going to go over here to gradient, click gradient. We're going to go reflect it, and you can leave it on that right there. That usually works pretty well. I got sharp corners on, so I can make nice sharp corners. See, I'm drawing it out like so. Draw a little joint like that. It's not gonna be red. You can go to a little circle. Let's change that real quick. I got white lines. Hold on to me.
I so fresh, I so clean, I so black in this bitch on lean, I so high, couple birds.
Basically, just pan it out, I guess. It's gonna look like how like a doorknob, I guess. And you can even add the little joint up here. Hold on. Turn that to the plane real quick. Throw a little knot, little key slide in there, I guess. And that's pretty much it right there. Not too hard right there. Behind that, I'm gonna put a little door behind it, so at least looks like what we're trying to accomplish. Throw another gradient up there, reflect it, hit OK, put your square right there. That's not the door, that's actually that little panel that goes behind the door. Come on now, shit. I hate when that happens, man. I'm like pressing something and the shit won't fucking go and shit, man. It piss me off. I so clean. Turn the gradient back off, put it back on the plane, and I paint that like so. Come on. There you go. I mean, it's not the actual door. I was just doing it for the camera. Something like that. I don't feel like really. Maybe a little bit higher up there. Something like that. And then you can put another little line right, another little part right here. And we're gonna make that a little darker. And then we're gonna paint that. And then boom, you got your door. Once you get the hang of the whole program, man, everything will become really easy to you, like faster to accomplish stuff. But there go the door right there. That shouldn't have took too long, about 3 minutes, I guess. Yep, y'all have a good one.